Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Spicy, numbing, and incredibly flavorful, Sichuan soup is truly an experience. This iconic dish is celebrated for its unique ma-la sensation, a delightful tingle from Sichuan peppercorns combined with a fiery, chili kick. We'll guide you through crafting this culinary masterpiece, bringing those vibrant, authentic Chinese flavors directly to your kitchen. Get ready to impress your taste buds with a bowl full of warmth and exciting spices. Authentic Sichuan flavor truly starts with a handful of absolutely key ingredients. You'll need fragrant Sichuan peppercorns for that signature numbing ma sensation, which is completely unique. Crucially, don't forget doubanjiang, a fermented chili bean paste. It provides a deep, savory umami and a foundational spice. A good quality broth, either chicken or vegetable, will also form the essential liquid base. These components are vital for that truly complex, layered taste. The secret to depth in your Sichuan soup is carefully layering your aromatics and spices from the very beginning. Start by sautéing finely minced garlic, ginger, and the white parts of green onions until they become wonderfully fragrant. This step awakens their essential oils, creating a powerful aromatic foundation. Then, gently toast your doubanjiang and dried chilies in the same pot to deepen their intricate flavors before adding your rich broth. This foundation is crucial for an outstanding soup. Incorporating your favorite proteins and vegetables into your Sichuan soup is simple and incredibly versatile. Thinly sliced pork, beef, or even silken tofu are excellent protein choices, as they cook very quickly within the hot broth. Add hearty greens, such as bok choy or spinach, and soft components like mushrooms or bamboo shoots during the last few minutes. This ensures everything cooks perfectly without becoming overdone, maintaining texture and freshness in every bite. A few final touches will truly elevate your homemade Sichuan soup to absolute perfection. First, taste the broth and adjust the seasoning. Perhaps a little more salt, soy sauce, or a dash of black vinegar will balance everything. Finally, ladle your steaming soup into bowls and garnish generously. Fresh cilantro, a fragrant drizzle of chili oil, and a sprinkle of toasted, ground Sichuan peppercorns provide that authentic, aromatic finish. Enjoy your incredible, flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.